So Te Pūtea Whakatupu was established in legislation as a slice of the settlement pie for Te Kaimwana, and it was specifically set up to provide training and research and education opportunities for all Māori. It is a privilege to serve on Te Pūtea Whakatupu, and currently at this time I'm chairing our team of amazing alternates and directors. So that's my role currently with Te Kaimwana as part of the kāhui. I guess I'm really passionate about raising the aspirations and being alongside communities as they are the authors of their own solutions. I'm really into rangatahi development especially. So we are a trust that has been set up in perpetuity. There is an investment for us, and every year we have the responsibility of distributing out to amazing kaupapa across the motu in rangatahi development and leadership programs and succession planning. Our purpose that we have actually put out to the world is the sustenance of Māori identity.